Let's sum up this summer. It was a busy and eventful season, but despite all the challenges, we managed to have fun and make the most of it, not wasting a single day. We decorated the motorcycle and showed you how to install various accessories on your Honda Goldwing. Both decorative and functional. We may have disturbed our neighbor's sleep because we were so engrossed in our work and lost track of time. We changed the oil in the motorcycle, a pretty messy job, but a necessary one. We didn't miss a single sunny Irish morning, taking the opportunity to enjoy rides on the Honda Goldwing.
Good morning, everybody. Today now it's a nice, bright, sunny, well, starting to be sunny, Sunday morning. We're going to head off now on a little spin down, thinking maybe West Cork, down over into Kerry. No real set plan, just see where the road leads us. So stay tuned if you want to see where we end up. Talk to you later.
And visit scenic spots. We also showcased our store's assortment.
We've got things like all grips, heated grips and non-heated grips, from chrome to rubber. Then we've got battery chargers. Down here is all kind of more maintenance related stuff. So we've got your EBC brakes here. We have OEM brakes as well.
And a lot of it was sold at the annual event. And, of course, the highlight, we attended Goldwing Owners Club of Ireland, Trefin Kilkenny 2024.
This weekend we are at Gowran Park Racecourse in Kilkenny. As long as this has been a race course, it's also an 18-hole championship golf course. So if you're into your golf, bring your clubs along. You might get a chance to use them.
Where we participated in various rides.
It's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't want to go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid.
Such as the Parade of Nations,
Life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan
and Light Parade.
to be there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. We all want things.
We camped out.
And do you believe you can do anything?
Saw the winner for the Best Honda Goldwing Award.
What you gonna be?
Though I didn't agree with the decision. Overall, we had an amazing summer. So that's our recap of the hottest time of the year. Though in Ireland, it's more like the not cold time of the year. How did you spend your summer? Let us know in the comments.